everyone, and welcome to Wind Down Bedtime Yoga class. My name's Lina, and today I'll be guiding you through a relaxing sequence to help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. So let's get started. So begin in a cross-legged position. Get comfortable. Close your eyes. And deeply inhale, allow your breath to flow all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel your shoulders dropping and relaxing. Taking another deep breath in. This time, as you breathe out, feel your whole body just relaxing. Deep breath in again. As you breathe out, just feeling your body and your mind feeling completely relaxed. Feeling the tension of your day is floating away. And then gently open your eyes. We're going to do some side stretching now. Before we do that, before doing any posture or asana, it's important to remember the purpose of each posture, and that is either to stretch or strengthen an area. So today we'll be doing mainly stretching. With each stretch, you always feel a stretch in the opposite direction that you're moving. So if you're moving forward, you feel a stretch on your back. If you're moving back, you feel a stretch on the front of your body. And if you're moving from side to side, you always feel a stretch in the opposite direction that you're moving. So let's get started. Going to do a side stretch, so bringing your legs out in front as far as you can. You're going to do this for a couple of minutes, and you're going to be holding it. So hold it as much as you can. Relax into the pose. There is no such thing as a perfect pose. As long as you're feeling a stretch in the opposite direction that you're moving, it's doing its job. And whenever we're doing any posture and asana, it's important to remember when we stretch up, your back will be arched. So what you want to do is push your tailbone down. So it's like this. So you're going to be stretching up. So your spine will arch, push down. So your back is supported and your core is becoming strong. So widen your legs, breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, and you're just going to come down this way. Now we're going to hold this for a couple of minutes. So you're just going to relax into the pose. Remember to breathe, allowing the oxygen to flow all the way to your belly, nourishing your organs, your skeleton, your whole body. And breathe. And if there's any noise, if you're getting distracted by any thoughts, allow them to float away like clouds on a sunny day. You can go back to them later. In this moment, give yourself the gift, just relaxing into the pose, allowing your mind and body and your spirit to relax. Now, if it's too much for you, you can ease off or come down a bit further if you feel you can go a bit more into the stretch. Close your eyes if you want to and just relax into the pose. Going to come up slowly, and we're going to go over to the other side. Breathe in, stretch up, push your tailbone down, and come down into the pose. Go as far as you can. The purpose of the pose to feel a stretch. As long as you feel a stretch, you should be feeling a stretch in the opposite direction that you're moving. You'll also feel a stretch on your leg, in your groin area, the back of your neck, and your back. And your whole leg should be stretching right now. So just breathe. Close your eyes if that helps. And breathe. Allow your mind to become quiet. Sometimes we don't like to be quiet, but in quietness, you'll get so much more clarity, calm, and really just a way to take care of you. This is where yoga comes in. Yoga is union itself. That means doing what is right for you. If you feel this is too much, you can ease off or you can go down a bit more. Whatever works, or stay where you are. And coming up slowly. Next, coming into butterfly. If this is too much for you, you can even just do cross-legged. We're coming into butterfly. Again, stretching up, pushing the tailbone down, and just relaxing into the pose. Go as far as you can and just relax, feeling a wonderful stretch on the back of your neck, your back. Relax and breathe. Now you can stay here, or if it's too much for you, you can ease off and come up, or you can come down a bit more if that works as well. Just do what's right for you. Give yourself permission to allow your body to relax. revitalize and become new. And then coming up slowly. Next, we're going to do thread the needle, and we're just going to come onto all fours. We're going to come onto all fours, and we're just going to bring one arm underneath. Remember to breathe. Allow your mind to become empty, allowing your tensions to float away from your day, allowing your mind and your body to relax. Coming out of this slowly. And let's go over to the other side. And then coming out of this slowly. Next, we're going to do happy baby. So just coming down in your legs, just being here for a couple of minutes, just stretching. You bring your legs out. Wonderful stretch. You can do this in the morning when you wake up and at bedtime too, just getting ready for bed. Now, if this is too much for you, you can stay here or you can come out and just put your legs straight. Just going to be here for a few more moments. And then just bringing your legs in front of you and just relaxing into Savasana, feeling completely relaxed. Wind down from your day, tensions floated away, body is feeling relaxed and ready for bed. Now, if you like, you can stay here or come to seated. If you're coming up, just rolling to one side and coming up. Thank you for joining me on this bedtime yoga session. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe for more, share with somebody who you feel will benefit. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I also have a blog where I share daily wellness wisdom and a Facebook group, and the links are all in the comments below. Wishing you a wonderful, serene night's sleep, and until next time, namaste.